Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. And today's video is my Ulta haul. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you do enjoy. There's also a join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member for exclusive perks. We're gonna dive right in and I'm gonna pop right here the shock and awe and expression on my face when I opened this package just a second ago, because they actually protected the box this time, y'all. Ulta actually put bubble wrap in a box. I don't know who they are. Look, Ulta, thank you, honey. Thank you. It's a very short and sweet haul. However, y'all know how I shop when I shop at Ulta. I always shop when I get notifications of gifts with purchases, $10 off coupons, $3.50 off coupons, things like that. So I only bought a few things, but we always get them gift with purchases, and I love getting those. First up, I got this flat iron. It is the Conair Infinity Pro Rose Gold Flat Iron with Shine Boost. If you have been here with me for a very long time, you know that a few years back I shaved my head and I started fresh. So at that time I got rid of all of my hair products, all of my hot tools and everything. And now that my hair is growing back out, I typically wear it wavy and wear it just like it is, but I do like to flat iron it, and I've been trying to use this little tiny Foxy Bay flat iron we got in a BOXYCHARM forever ago, and it's just not, it ain't working no more. So I decided to get this. It did have excellent reviews, and if you have tested this out, please let me know. It has like the auto shut off. It says Luxe Digital Series. It goes all the way up to 455 degrees, digital controlling and shine boost supposedly. I will update you guys, but please let me know if you've tested this out. And then I have been looking for, if you go back to when my hair was long before I shaved it, if you go back to my empties and like favorites type videos, I used this bedhead shampoo that I raved about all the time. It was phenomenal, especially for me at that time having longer hair and having color treated hair. It smelled insane. I went through so many of them. It was pretty expensive, but I did not mind paying it. Well, now that my hair's been growing back out for the past few months, I've even asked on Facebook and stuff like that, I've been looking for a new shampoo and conditioner, because every time I'd go to Ulta and search through shampoos and conditioners, I couldn't remember the exact name of it, but I knew what the bottle looked like, and I never saw the bottle. I never saw it in stores or anything like that, so I was like, they discontinued it. So I did a little random search, and I was like, bedhead shampoo in a copper looking bottle. Come to find out, they repackaged it. So I definitely was so excited to find this again. I did see some in the older packaging on Amazon for cheaper. However, I don't know how long that's been sitting on the shelf. And then I did get the notifications that they had like gift with purchases and stuff like that. So that's when I like to shop. I use up my points, I use coupons, and if I can buy something I'm already going on the site to get, if I can get some freebies, I'm down with it. So this is the Bedhead Color Goddess Oil Infused Shampoo for colored hair. And y'all, this smells divine. It is like a delicious caramelly, cocoa-y cupcake. It smells divine, and it stays in your hair for a very long time, but it's not overpowering or anything like that, and it gives the most beautiful level of shine and hydration to the hair. I love this stuff. It is a Holy Grail product. Hopefully the product itself has not changed, but if you've tried this and you know what the heck I'm talking about with the old school copper bottles, please comment down below and let me know. Also, what is your favorite shampoo? But I was so happy to see this, you guys, and I should have honestly done this like 5 or 6 months ago when I was looking for new shampoos and conditioners, but I'm excited, so excited. That is my purchase. That is it. Now, with that little purchase that I was already going onto the Ulta sites to get, I got 1, 2, 3 gifts with purchase. And this is my biggest tip to you guys. If you know you're needing something, if you know you're like, hey, I need skincare, I need this, I'm looking for XYZ mascara or palette that just came out, wait a little while, and when you see and you get notifications, email notifications, I kind of just go on to the app as well, but I do get notifications. Wait for notifications that will say, you know, like, hey, if it's your birthday month, you get this, or you get a free product. If you spend X amount, you get this. And this one was like, if you bought hair care, you got a set, but then if you spent like $50 or $70, you also got a set. And then with any purchase that day, you got like a little mini sampler thing. I mean, you guys, that's a lot of product. A lot of product. And these little minis, even trying to buy like smaller items like this, a lot of these are like $6 to $12 a piece, even to buy them as minis. And I know a lot of people don't care about the minis, but because we travel so often to go see our son, I go through these products quickly, very, very quickly. So I love having them. Y'all know I also do a for sale group where I resell makeup and stuff like that on Facebook. And then I also do mystery boxes for $40. So if I'm not going to personally use something, I will throw this in as extras when I do giveaways, when I do my mystery boxes, etc. So I'm going to open this up and just kind of show you a few of these. I definitely want to keep this very short and sweet, but this is also a really good way too. A lot of this stuff will be brand new products and products that are more viral type products, so you can test them out. Oh, there's so much here. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm just going to go through a few. We have the Grande Cosmetics Grande Brow Enhancing Serum. I've actually been wanting to try this. I'm finishing up my Anastasia Beverly Hills one that I got in an icon box or something, but oh, I've heard great things. We have an e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. We have a Precisely, honey! Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 3. We have a Way Leave-In Conditioner. We have a Andrew Fitzsimmons Restructuring 10-in-1 Leave-In Conditioner with Bonding System. That writing was kind of crazy. We have the Maylis B Flat Firming Belly Cream. Lord, honey, I need to sit in a vat of that shit. We have the Strivectin Anti-Wrinkle. Sorry, y'all. Look, I'm already ready and I'm getting ready to go to a baby shower, so hence the rushness. I'm very sorry. Anti-Wrinkle Peptide Plump. And I love Strivectin. They're one of my favorite brands. I have a Lancome Genifique. I have a Mighty Patch Hero Duos for acne patches. We have a Living Proof Instant Defrizzer. And then I'll leave that there. We'll go over to the other one. This one was all hair care base, which I'm really excited about. We have a shampoo and conditioner of the Viviscal Thickening Shampoo with biotin and keratin. We have a big size of the IGK Rice Water Plumping and Thickening Mist. We have a Virtue Restorative Treatment Mask. Another big bottle of the Bondi Boost Heat Protection Spray. That's going to come in handy. I'm sticking that right over here by my flat iron, y'all. We have a Pureology 21 Essential Benefits leave-in for treated hair. We have a Kristen S Air Dry Cream, and a lot of these are more luxe brands, if you will. Like we have a couple of Olaplex products that work fantastic that are more high-end pricing, and then we have a bunch of like little perfumes, a glow lotion, another perfume in this little container. So again, I already knew I was on the hunt for a shampoo and conditioner. Luckily, I found the shampoo and conditioner, and I wanted to get a new flat iron. So I got those two things, spent very little money for those, and they were already products I was going to buy, and then I have all of this. How do you like to shop? Do you also shop that way through Ulta? And do you like Ulta or Sephora better? Y'all should already know my thoughts on that. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.